Okay, so the instructions were to determine if ratios are equivalent, meaning are these two fractions equal to each other? Now, from the looks of it, they don't look equal. But I have to ask myself, can I simplify? Okay, can I divide by number top and bottom where they go into evenly? So I'm gonna show you two ways of doing this. The first way is, well, I get this smaller number. I ask myself, well, does 3 go into 14? No, right? 14, I only have 1 times 14. I have 2 times 7, and that's about it. There's no 3 there. So this is the simplest. So this is, I can't go any simpler than this. So I'm gonna try to get this one, the bigger numbers, down to these. So I'm gonna start with the numerators. Is there anything I can divide 21 by that gives me 3? Well, 21 divided by 7. Oh, that's another 7. Okay. 21 divided by 7 will give me 3. Oh, nice. Well, if I divided the numerator by 27, then if I divide the denominator by 7 by the same number, and I get 14, then they're equal. Okay? So this is how I simplify a fraction, by dividing by a number, by the same number, top and bottom. Okay? So let's see. Let's do it by hand. 7 divided by 98, or 98 divided by 7. Okay, 7 times 1 will give me 7. And I'm gonna subtract. I get a 2. I bring down the 8. 7 times 4 gives me 28. So it breaks evenly. Okay, so I'll get 3 over 4. 3 over 4. This would be yes. Okay. The other method you can do is, I know there's no equal sign here, but you could cross multiply. And if you get the same answer, then they are equivalent. So 3 times 98. So let's do 98 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. 28, 29. Okay, so that's what I got for 3 times 98. What about 14 times 21? So 14 times 21. 4 times 1 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. And we put a 0 here. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. We add 4, 9, and 2. Notice, when I multiplied both numbers, I got the same number, which was 294. Okay, so 2 methods. Okay. Now let's try this one. Let's go ahead and just go straight into the cross multiply. Okay, so 12 times 85. So 12 times 85. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1, 6. We put a 0 here and then move to the 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Carry the 1. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. I'm going to add these and I get 6 and 6 would be 12. I carry the 1, then that would be 10. So it would be 1,020. Okay, so that was for 12 times 85. Now let's do 17 times 50. 17 times 50. 0 times 7 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. We put a 0 here and move on to the 5. 5 times 7 is 35. And carry the 3 up here. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 would be 8. Okay, and we see that when we add these, we get 850, which is short. These are not equal, so this would be a no.